Hello all, this is Nandhini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to discuss about incremental model in software project management. So let's discuss. So the incremental model is a method of software development. So where the model is designed and implemented and testing, which is incrementally until the product is finished. So the incremental model means the little more information which is added in each time of the phases, and it involves both development and maintenance. So the product is defined as finished when all the requirements are satisfied. So each iteration passes through the requirements, design, coding and testing phases. So and each subsequent release of the systems which is adds function to the previous release until all design functions has been implemented. So this model is combined the element of the waterfall model with the iterative of prototyping. So this is a small introduction about incremental model. And this is the diagram of incremental model. So in the every stages it has some functions, that is some phases, that is analysis, design, coding and testing. So in each stage it will be incremental and it will be added some more information in each stages. So let's discuss one by one of various phases of incremental model. So the first phase is requirements analysis. So this is the first phase, and the product analysis experts identify the requirements, and the system functional requirements are understood by the requirement analysis team, and which helps to develop the software under the incremental model. So this phase performs a crucial role. And the second phase is design and development. So in this phase of the incremental model, so the design of the system functionality and the development methods are finished with success. So when software develops new practicality, the incremental model uses styles and development phase. And the next stage is testing. So in the incremental model, the testing phases check the performance of each functions as well as the additional functions. So in this testing phase, the various methods are used to test the behavior of each task. And the next phase is implementation. So in the implementation phase, which enables the coding phase of the development system, and it involves the final coding that is designed in the designing and development phase. Then the test of the functionality, which could be testing in phases. After completion of this phase, the number of product working is enhanced and upgraded up to the final system product. It is classified into two types of incremental model. There are staged delivery model and parallel development model. So the staged delivery model means it construction of only one part of the project at a time. It is called as a staged delivery model. So it is also classified into different various phases. So there are requirements definition, architecture design, and it goes to the subsystem 1 construction, then subsystem in constructions, then the verification test and the validation test. The parallel development model, it is represent the different subsystems, and these subsystems are developed at the same time, and it can decrease the calendar time which is needed for the development, that is TTM, which means time to market. So this time TTM if enough resources are available. So the parallel development model is also classified the various phases. There are requirements definitions, architecture design, and the architecture design it classified into two teams, that not a two teams, it is a team 1 to team n. So the team 1 it represents the subsystems 1 construction, and the end of team n it is represent the subsystem of n constructions. Then it tested the verification, and then it tests the validation. So these are the various phases of parallel development model. And this is the assessment and these are the reference. Thank you.